YouTube? This is Ken from Ken's How To's and Reviews. It is a hot summer day in July in Alabama, and I'm going to do a quick review on some fly traps that I have in my chicken coop. So a big challenge with chickens is trying to control flies. Flies carry a lot of diseases. They are just nasty, and they can actually kill your chickens. There's a condition where the flies lay larvae on your chickens. The maggots actually start eating into your chickens. That's a video for another day. We won't go there. But a big thing with keeping a chicken coop in your backyard is you have to have some good husbandry. Clean your coops out, keep moisture away, make sure things are dry, keep the scraps under control. You don't just want to throw scraps in your coop because that will exponentially increase flies. So I'm going to show you a couple traps that I have placed around my yard. I try to keep the traps away from the chicken coop so you don't have flies attracted to the coop and then get trapped. I want to pull them away, but I've been experimenting a little bit. So the best trap that I really have so far are these bug balls. This is an Amazon bug ball. It's not an official bug ball. The bug balls seem to do the best, but the downside is they actually trap some good bugs. So kind of take that for what it is. This trap right here is the one I've been wanting to do a review on, and right now this bad boy has been up for about 3 weeks, and you see commercials for these everywhere. They're on Instagram, they're on Facebook, Amazon, and the advertisements are a little misleading. I will say, since I've had this up, I have been getting consistent flies, but when you see the advertisement, this thing is full of flies. Just, you know, the pitch line is, I've had this thing a week and it's full of flies. And for some people that may be true. For me, it is not. So just to give you some context of where we live in a very rural, wooded area of Alabama. There's actually some cow pastures that way and cow pastures this way. So there's no shortage of flies out here. But what I would say is I would not purchase this trap again. You have to have some pretty stinky stuff in the bottom of here. So I put chicken feed in there with a little water. That works fantastic. But what happens is you keep having to come down here, clean this out, and put more. And that's just an absolute headache. I have moved this trap away from the coop and it has done better, but still, it's for the amount of flies that I'm catching, the work that I have to do to change this out. I guess you could just continue to add bait into there, whatever bait that you choose. But this one just seems to be more of a headache than it is beneficial, and it stinks to high heaven. So I've tried to put it as far away as possible as I can from the coop, but I do have one in here, and I'll try to zoom in a little bit on this. This is another fly trap. It's actually green. The green color attracts house flies and flies in general a lot better than the orange one over there. So I can put a link in the comments for some of these traps. You can see this one, and it's doing okay, but nothing like the advertisement says. So as soon as these have reached their peak, I'm going to take these out and find another way. So if you like, subscribe, comment, give me your feedback, videos you want to see, videos I haven't done, or just really anything. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.